Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to register your account in YourDialer website. First of all, you need to open YourDialer.me and here you have to click on this register button. After you do this page will gonna open. So here just you need to create a unique username for yourself. If your username has been taken, it will gonna notice you. For example, I will gonna use taste2 or anything I want. After you create your username, here you have to enter an accessible email here. After you enter your email address, here you have to create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters and be less than 38 characters. And it's better to contain letters and numbers together. The point is you cannot use special characters such as @, question mark, and this stuff. So here we enter the password and hit this register button. So your account has been successfully created. Here you can see your user panel and some sections here that I will gonna show you them. So the first section is dashboard section that contains summary of your profile. And here you can see your current balance. At the call details section, you can check the call details like numbers, date, amount, and duration of your call. The add balance section is for adding credits to your balance, and you can buy anything you want, 5 euros, 10 euros, 25, or any amounts you even like. At the payment section, you can check the history of your purchase credits, and here you can download the PDF file or Excel file or anything you want. In calling rate section, you can check the rate for destinations call here, such as, for example, I'm gonna choose Australia here. For example, Austria. Okay, here it's tell me with 10 euros I can speak up to 110 minutes. And the last section is application, that here you can directly download the compatible application with your device. For example, getting from Google Play or download on the App Store. Thanks for your watching. I hope it was helpful for you. Have a nice time. Till next videos. Goodbye.